Introduce highlight features and quick overview of LITIFO single-serve coffee maker. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include 2-in-1 single cup coffee maker. Whether you like to make a coffee with K-cup pods or coffee ground, this coffee brewer can brew the ultimate delicious coffee. And the small coffee maker fits most of capsules. Fit 6 to 14 ounces mug. Meet the different coffee drinking habits of you or your family. Simple one-touch button makes it easy to brew your favorite coffee. Preparing ground coffee or capsules/pods, add water, press button, then auto shut off after brewing, which ensures safety. Powerful 1000-watt fast brew technology ensures coffee brews in 3 minutes. With the most compact design and durable construction in the market, the one-cup coffee maker is perfect for home, office, apartment, caravan, and more. And it is lightweight, perfect for traveling, camping, etc. Whenever and wherever. Our coffee maker will save your time, and delivers you a delicious cup of coffee. Cleanup is easy, just carry out 2 or 3 circles with cold water only to clean the device before brewing the first cup of coffee or after several using times. With removable capsule shells and filter, there's no mess left about cleaning. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.